Yeah. Welcome back to the channel, my beautiful people. Long time I don't see you guys. Welcome back. Peace and love to all you guys out there, my beautiful subscriber. Yeah, it's another beautiful day. Look here, I got a pineapple. I got 2 beetroot, some ginger here, and a carrot. Yeah, I'm gonna make some natural juice. Yeah, I'm feeling so thirsty. Then I'm gonna cook some food. See, I got some coal over there. Yeah, I got a bag of coal right here. Yeah, first I'm gonna make some juice first. Have some food on this cold stove outdoors. It's a beautiful day, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna get this pine peel up, and all of these things peel and wash. Yeah, this ginger come from my back garden. Yeah, 1 handful of ginger. All of this other stuff I bought it at the market. So I'm gonna get this thing wash up now and blend up and make some juice. Cause it's so hot and sunny today. Yeah, stay tuned. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Okay, my beautiful people. Everything is peeled up now, fresh. Wash and fresh and peeled up. Yeah. So fresh and juicy. Yeah man, everything ready for cut up now in our blender. Yeah man, we got the beetroot there, we got pine, we got carrot, we got ginger. Yeah, so we'll get this thing and blend up now in our blender. Have a look at taste. So catch me, I blend up this now. Stay tuned. Okay guys. Yeah, everything fully cut up now. Yeah man, so we got some water in the blender here. Ready to start blend out. Yeah, we throw off the water. Yeah, add in the chopped fruits in it now. Yeah, it's about 2 blending. It's about 2 blending now, guys. Yeah man, 2 blend that. Now I blend everything one time. When I pressure the blender. Yeah. So get it on it now. Yeah guys, catch me on the blender. Yeah guys, I'm about to blend up the second batch now. You guys remember to subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Also like up the video and leave a comment where you're watching from. Yeah, stay tuned. We're having some natural juice coming up. It's gonna be so yummy delicious. Yeah guys, look at that. Let's open it. Yeah. Fully blend up now guys. Yeah man. Rich. Yeah man, I get that strain off now guys and have a look at taste. Stay tuned. Yeah, I'm gonna have a little taste now. I'm going to strain off in this with some ice and some sugar to sweeten it to taste. Yeah, people, it's that time now. All fully strained and fully sweetened and ready to taste. Got some ice in it to look at it. Well, cool. Yeah, let's have a little taste now. Got that, my people. Yeah, so yum. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we got 1 jar for later, you know. Look at that. Yeah, ready to taste. So upon the ice in it, fully cool. Yeah, man. Refreshing. Yeah, guys, so refreshing, guys. Yeah. So yummy, guys. guys, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Yeah, look at the background. The sun is so hot, guys. Yeah, juice up, fully juice up. Got that. Yeah. Yeah, tell a friend. As you can see, we have a bag of coal here. Yeah, so I'm gonna cook some food now. Some rice and peas. So stay tuned for that in the next video. Okay guys, remember, subscribe to the channel.